Okay, this is going to be the test number 2 of the arcade cabinet. All the buttons are all wired up now. Looking good. Take a look. Push the button. Dark in here, so we can take a look at that in the dark. Turn the light back on. Now, 2 things I need to do still. I need to get rid of the cursor, and I need it to set it to shut it down at exit. It's going to load the screen we've seen earlier. Now, to get out of that, all you have to do is just tap a button, and it'll go right to the games. So our main configuration, we just basically hit enter down here. I'll go to the main screen. Here's our games list. We'll go choose a game here real quick. Pac-Man. Now if you want to play this game, you hit enter again. Give it a second here. There it goes. Select your coin down here. Start button over here. Okay, then you exit out of the game. Red button over here. Okay. Then if we want to go back to the next menu, hit the red button down here again. That'll take us to the categories for the consoles. We'll choose Nintendo. Ten-yard fight. Enter. There's 10-yard fight. Now, on all the console games, we use a joystick. So, let's exit out of that. Now, all these games are the same way except for Super Nintendo. Now we go into Super Nintendo, and let's say we load a game. We'll go Actrazers. Enter. Loads the game. Now say we want to exit. Now if we push the red button, all that's going to do is go to the context menu up here to choose another game or to quit. We want to exit using the Super Nintendo. You push the player 1 button. A couple more features I want to show right here. Back. Turn this around. Alright, there's the computer that runs this whole thing. There, we can see it, is the amplifier. That blue knob there controls the volume. So if we want to turn this down, I actually got to kind of get in there. There we go. See how I turn it down? of the guts inside this thing. It's the hard drive right there. Motherboard, processor, memory, power supply, power pack. Now Hyperspin, when you just leave it alone, we'll just start playing random games on whichever system that you're on. Like right here we see that the switch to, what's this, Cool Spot? And if you wait a few seconds, it will automatically start spinning the wheel and it'll choose a random game. That's just kind of an attract feature of it. Exit out of this. There we are back at the main menu. And of course, exit. And we just go over to yes and hit enter. And that will shut down the system. Like I said, a couple more things to do, but I'm going to go to bed. Maybe play a little games first before I go to bed over on my computer. But just wanted to show you that.